Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Code Buddy. I hope you all are doing extremely well, and now I hope you all are preparing for interviews because most of you have already done with your placement exam. So now you are focusing on interviews. Now some of you are still waiting for your interview call, and some of you are waiting for your interview results. So if you have any kind of doubt related to your interview or even related to your placement exam, you can ask your doubt in the comment section or on the Telegram or on the Instagram. The links for the same is given in the description itself, so you can ask any query if you have. I will resolve all your queries, right? And now in this video, what we are going to see, we are going to see 3 interview experiences of Capgemini, of recent candidates, right? The candidates who have done with their interview, so that it can help you in your interviews, right? So if you're preparing for Capgemini interview, so it will be more beneficial for you if you are seeing the recent interview experiences. So in this video, I will be sharing 3 interview experiences. One of my subscriber has shared me 30 plus interview experiences of his friends and his batchmates, etc. So I want to thank Naman, right? So he really deserves a shout out. So before starting the interview experiences, I want to clear one doubt that some of you were asking me that, ma'am, in the technical interview, whether they will ask the technical questions or not. So guys, I would say if you are from CSIT background or the technical background, right? Doesn't matter you are from IT, doesn't matter you are from AIML branch or even computer science, right? So it will be beneficiary for you, or I would highly recommend to prepare well with the technical interviews questions, because I have seen that in some interview experiences only technical questions were asked, not the HR questions, right? Just tell me about yourself, then after that the complete interview is in the technical way, is related to technical stuff only, not the HR question. But also I have seen that in some interview experiences only the HR related questions were there. So in that case, I would suggest you have to prepare well for both of the cases. We don't know that what is your luck at that time. Maybe you are going to get all the technical related stuff, or even you are going to get the HR interview questions. Don't worry, you will get all the placement related material as well as all the interview related material on the same channel. The playlist link is given in the description box, or you can directly hover over to the channel, go into the playlist that is interview preparation. In that playlist, I have shared you top 40 HR interview questions. Apart from these questions, you don't need to go here and there, right? Because from the top resources I have found out that okay, these are the questions that they are asking or they can ask. So I have provided you the complete answers of in a well suitable way, so you can prepare from there, right? And also I have shared top 30 dbms interview questions. A detailed cheat sheet I have already shared, and top 30 interview questions I have shared along with their proper answer, along with their diagram, etc. Very well I have mentioned, I have explained each and everything. It will be very easy to understand, it will be very easy to explain as well, and I have added some real world example so that you can impress your interviewer that okay, you have the knowledge that how these things are working in the real world, right? Okay, so let's start with the today's session. That first of all, we will be seeing the interview experience of the first candidate, then second and third, and one by one I will explain how you should answer. And don't worry, I will provide you the complete PDF of these interview experiences along with the answers, right? And all the material is going to be free only. And also guys, if you want to conduct a mock interview session with me, so you can contact me on the Instagram, right? But it is paid but affordable, only 90 rupees for 30 minutes. I will be reviewing your resume and I will tell you how you have to answer for the particular question. I will take your mock interview so that you can well prepare for the interview. Okay, so let's have a look onto the very first interview experience. So I'm just sharing on the screen, you can have a look, and I will add the PDF along with the answer once this video will hit the 500 views, right? So you can see from there itself. Okay, so if we see that this is the first interview experience, now you can see on the screen. So Introduction. First of all, tell me about yourself. Then interviewer asked him about the family and his hobbies. So in that, how you have to answer? First of all, you have to introduce your name, your educational qualification, and your technical skills, and what projects you have done, any internship or any work experience if you have, so you should mention that as well, right? Then after that, if you have any extracurricular activities, so you can mention. So basically these companies are IT companies, so you have to show that you have the caliber to work in the company. You don't need to tell that from, like, what is your hobby, like cooking is my hobby. These are worthless things, these are useless to tell an interview, right? So how you have to answer? I have mentioned the complete answer of it, the well explained answer of it in the top 40 HR interview question video, so you can have a look on that video as well, because this is the HR interview question, right? Also in this PDF as well, I will share the complete answer for it, don't worry about that. The next question asked to him was technologies, I know. So he was familiar with Python and C++ basically, right? So his programming language was Python primarily, and C++ also basics, right? Then the third question, as he said that Python is my favorite programming language, or he is comfortable with programming Python, so the next question was from Python. So always remember, you have to tell those skills only that you can answer, that you can face the cross questions about that technology, right? So the next question was from Python programming to check leap year. So there is a logic that first of all you have to check from 4, like whether the number or the year is divided by 4, then 100, then 400, right? So there is a complete program. I will provide you the code in the PDF itself, don't worry. I will provide you the answers for these questions as well, don't worry about that, right? But the thing is, you have to share the video with your friends who are preparing for the interviews, or if you are a senior and your junior is preparing, please share, so that they can also get the help from this channel. Okay, so the next question was Python programming to display calendar. So it is very simple program that you have to import the calendar module, then you can print the whole calendar by calling the month function, etc. Right? Then any C++ program which contains if else. So you can tell like voting program. If your age is 18, so you can vote, other else you cannot vote, right? So you can tell any scenario related to if else, right? So about project, so whatever your project is, you have to explain very well. I have already provided you a video how you have to explain about your project, how you have to face the cross questions related to your project, right? So you can have a look here, this is a video, and I will provide the link for this video in the description box. Do check and well prepare for the project related questions according to this video. The next question was my role in project. So whatever your role is, no matter you was a team leader, no matter you were a team player, right? The thing is, if you were a team player, simple say that I was a team player, because being a team player is not a bad thing, right? If you will say team leader and they will ask you the cross questions related to team leading, and you are now not able to answer them properly, then you will get got in a trap, right? So this can lead to your rejection. So be honest, and whatever you was, just say this, right? So the next is problems and issues in working in a team, or sometimes they can ask even what were the challenges during your project. So I will provide you the complete explanation or the answer related to this type of questions, right, in the PDF which I will give. Then the next question asked to him was extracurricular activities other than academics. So if you have any extracurricular activities, what is extracurricular activities? They are asking for curricular activities, that means related to your syllabus, right? You have participated in any hackathon, you have participated in any coding challenge, etc. So you can tell that these are, or these were my extracurricular activities. If you don't have, just simple say that no, I haven't participated, but it will be good if you can add one or two extracurricular activities, right? So the next question is different between pass, break and continue. So these are all the keywords in Python, so I will provide you the explanation for this as well. Then how you correct your mistakes. So I will provide you the complete explanation about this question, how you have to deal with this type of questions, because every time they are analyzing you, how your opinion, like what is your thinking process, what is your thought process, how do you deal with the situations, right? So all the things you have to make sure that you are not lying and you are facing each and every question very well. You are not interpreting, you are not trying to misinterpret the interviewer, right? And you are dealing well with the interviews. Okay, so then at last they will ask you any question. So don't say no, I don't have any question. You have to ask at least two questions related to the work culture of the company, or what will be better in your free time to learn, right? So you can ask them how can I utilize my time, or what technologies I should learn in my free time, so that whenever I will join the company, doesn't matter you are going to join or not, right? But if you have the offer, so you have to ask that if whenever I will join the company, so what are the technologies I have to work upon, so that I can brush up my skills in the meanwhile time, right? So you have to ask these type of questions. Don't ask, right, how about my performance, what about my communication skills, etc. These questions are not recommended to ask, right? The questions that really shows your interest in the company or joining the company are that what is the work culture of the company, what technologies the company is working on, and what should I learn to survive in the company for the long period of time, or after 5 years, where I can see myself, or like that. You can answer simple. I know that this is a famous question, where do you see yourself after 5 years, but that doesn't mean you cannot ask from the interviewer, right? Okay, so this was the first interview experiences. So the next interview experience was quite short only. First of all, introduction. So I will provide you how you can answer for this introduction. Also, although I have already wrapped up the idea of it, then about project. So you can refer that video. I have shown you about database. So they asked like, what is database, what do you know about database? So already I have provided you 30 plus dbms questions cheat sheet and the video. First of all, you have to see the video, and then I will provide you the pdf. You can ask me in the dm that, ma'am, please send the pdf. I will send you the pdf, or else you can check the comment. Okay, then keys. Keys means what are the keys in DBMS. There are primary keys, foreign keys, candidate key, super key, etc. So you have to well prepare with this answer, because this is a very famous question for database management system. The next question is OOPS concept. So OOPS concepts are really very popular. Till now there is no any video on my channel, but very soon, by tomorrow, by day after tomorrow, I will upload along with the answer, right? All the subjects related questions will be there on my channel. You have to wait just for within 2-3 days. I will provide you each and every video, right? I am working upon the cheat sheet, because I put lots of effort, lots of hours in gathering all the content, and then assigning them, and then once together all the answers, then I cross verify that whether the answer is correct or not. So it takes time, but my content is really valid, worth it, and it is free also, so it will be helpful for you. Okay, so the next question was front end technology. So that means HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So what are the front end technologies? So 1 or 2 questions maybe from there itself, right? Then any question, at last they will ask you for sure, do you have any question for me? So you have to ask 2 or 3 questions, or at least 2 questions you should ask, that yes, I want to know about the company culture, I want to know about what skills I should work upon, or like that. I will provide you the sample answers as well, right? So I hope these 2 interview experiences will be going to be helpful for you. And don't worry about the answer. I will provide you all the answers in detail in a pdf, right? You can access this pdf once the video will get 500 views, because the thing is, if I am not asking for money, so at least views should be there, na? Because if I am putting my efforts, so I really deserve the support, right? You can understand it better. All right, thank you for watching till the very end. I hope the video was helpful for you. And if you want more such content, then please comment that yes, ma'am, we want more such content. Please bring more and more. And as soon as possible, I will try each and everything for you. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.